HubSpot offers an integrated content management system, CMS, within its well-known marketing, sales, and service ecosystem. This means you can host your website, landing pages, and blog on their robust infrastructure. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide if it's the right fit for your needs. Pros: all-in-one convenience. HubSpot's biggest strength is its integration. Website updates align seamlessly with your marketing automation, CRM data, sales pipelines, and more. Ease of use. The platform is user-friendly, even for those without extensive technical backgrounds. Drag-and-drop builders and clear navigation streamline website creation. Security and reliability. HubSpot offers robust security protocols and generally reliable uptime, minimizing vulnerabilities and downtime. Built-in SEO tools. HubSpot provides tools and guidance for search engine optimization, helping your content rank better. Excellent support. HubSpot is known for responsive customer support teams, available to help address questions and issues. Cons: cost. Compared to some DIY website builders, HubSpot can be a significant investment, especially as your needs scale. Limited flexibility. While customizable, HubSpot has less granular control than fully self-hosted platforms. This could be restrictive for complex setups or very specific design requirements. Potential vendor lock-in. Relying heavily on the HubSpot ecosystem can increase switching costs later if you ever decide to migrate. Less robust DNS management. HubSpot doesn't provide the full suite of DNS management features found in dedicated domain management and hosting providers. Thank you for watching. Get a special offer by following the link in the description.